Hey guys, how's it going? I figured I would talk to you guys today about the electrical routing for the electric fence. Kind of a follow-up to the video that I did about the bus bar, the electric bus bar. So I'll take you guys on a little journey of how our electric fence is hooked up. It's not the best for sure by any means, it's just how ours happens to be hooked up. So as always, I do these videos kind of to document what's going around here, and I think the main purpose that I always have with my videos is to help somebody else out who might be doing something similar. So I will get you guys off the tripod and we'll have a look at how this thing's routed. Alright guys, that's where the unit is on the wall. Just plugged in and sitting on the box, nothing special. The hot and the ground go through that hole to the outside. I'll foam that at some point, but not going to do it right now. And then we'll move outside and I'll show you guys what's going on out there. So what I did here is I put an outlet on the outside since that other outlet's just right on the other side of the wall there. And I've got the hot coming out. It's like I think it's number 10 wire. Might be a little bigger than that. It might be, what would it be, number 8 or 1/0 or something. Anyways, ground is right here, connects to this fence post. Hot goes this way over here. Now this ground is not adequately grounded. They recommend 2 grounds. This post doesn't go deep enough. So it's my intention to pound this post in till it's about 6 inches sticking out of the ground. And then I'm going to run a secondary ground all through here, all the way out to that T-post out there, the T-post right there. So that's another project for another time, but basically this hot wire goes up this conduit up here, and what I did to get this conduit the way it is I just heated it, and it goes along there and it goes on up, and I'll show you guys that here in just a second. Alright guys, hopefully you can see this and the wind's not too bad. So it comes up from below, comes along here, comes out to this mast, and then it stops right here. And basically what I've got here is a couple loops of that wire, and then I have this split bolt, if I can get it to focus. There we go. And this ceramic, gosh, the focus is terrible. The ceramic is what holds that run of plastic out there to the box. And so I tied the flex off to the ceramic and then mounted the hard wire to the split nut. So that's how this end is made up right here. Alright guys, we're at the other end of the hot wire that's ran through the air. It's ran up high about 12 feet so we can get equipment under it. If the wind is blowing in the video, I'm sorry. I can't help it. I don't have my ladder. So you can see where it comes from over there, and it comes down along here and then stops right here. What I did is I put eyelets on the braided wire, and on this solid copper wire I put eyelets and then just connected them with a nut. So this is the line side and this is the load for one side of the fence. It'll make more sense when I show you guys later. There's also a technique where if you want these gaskets to stay on, these foam gaskets, use PVC glue and they'll stick in place and let it dry. Anyways, so the line side goes down to a switch and then the load comes into the switch also. So the load passes through here, which was on the last video. This is the bus bar, and as you can see there's eyelets here too. Now one of the secrets is when you do the eyelet for this side what you want to do is melt the plastic back and then fold the metal over so you get double the metal in the eyelet. Anyways, it goes through here. Here's the painted cover, and then it goes on down that direction to my right. And so I'm going to put this cover back on, and we'll go down and we'll take a look at the switch. Talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, that's where I was at a while ago, and so the power comes in on the, if you're looking from the screen here, power comes in on the right, comes down and is on top, and comes along here, and then goes around and comes down into that little switch. Now I bought that switch on eBay, knife switch. I couldn't find a more robust switch. For some reason they don't make them, or they're very expensive. So this is a little, to give you an idea of size, there's my thumb. So what it does is line power comes in up here, which is on the right hand side. This is line power. And then load, there's two loads. One comes from down here and is the black wire, and then the other white wire is the load that comes in from the right side that I showed you earlier. So this is load, it's disconnected right now. The entire electric fence, all the way around out there is disconnected. All the way down this way is disconnected through this switch. So I'm eventually going to label these. I'm going to label this line and this one load. But when I flip this up, now the fence is on. So that's the scheme. Load comes in from down there. Load comes in from the left side here. And then line power is right here. I think it works fantastic. Like I said, I need to improve my ground. But other than that, it's worked great. And this is how our powers ran. So I hope that it helps one of you guys out there when you're trying to wire up your electric fence. Thanks.